Recommendations, recommendations, recommendations. You know, the Bolton software is putting them in there every time you print a sticker or using Mobile Manager and all those things, right? Did you know that those recommendations are future cash? And if you follow the method I'm about to show you using the calendar function in Message Manager, you're clicking for cash. Take a look. On those days that things are slow, Bolton Technology gives you the ability to click for cash. Yes, indeed, I said that. Because each time you click in Message Manager, you have the ability to generate a little cash by filling those bays and bringing customers in. And let's talk about this and how it can be done through Message Manager right here in the calendar function. We know that Loop Sticker Pro not only prints a sticker, sets an appointment, sets an automatic reminder, it also puts recommendations for each customer in the calendar. And as your technicians are doing inspections and they're checking out vehicles, they too are not only building an estimate, but they are also putting recommendations in. Using the calendar function in Message Manager, you have the ability to select recommendations from the screen below and look at every day and see what recommendations are outstanding for customers. And with just a couple of clicks, you can send a templated message out to let that customer know they have service due and get them to come back in and get it done. Spending just a few moments every couple of days going into the recommendation function in Calendar and Message Manager will help you keep your bays filled and the profits coming in. Yeah, I know, it wasn't as exciting as you thought, but the thing is with just a few clicks, you can send a reminder to a customer and let them know that they have recommendations due. And when they show up at your shop all prepared to do that, you're probably going to sell those items. So click for cash. Send those reminders once a week, every other week to customers, and get them in, because if you get one or two, it's already paid for itself.